Do you want to increase your trading win rate and achieve more profits with just one free trading indicator? If yes, you are in the right place. Hello everyone, my name is ATP and welcome back to another episode of our testing indicator series. Today, we'll dive into the Detrended Price Oscillator and discover how this powerful tool can boost our trading strategy's performance. We will test it across more than 2000 trades and get ready because this video includes two big bonuses you won't want to miss. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and let's get started. So, as usual, let's start by adding the indicator to our TradingView charts. First, click on Indicators, then type Detrended Price Oscillator and you will find this free version provided by TradingView. However, if you want to have the same indicator but with a simpler look to analyze, you can opt for the Untrend Price DPO, this tool provided by this trader. As you can see, the indicator is exactly the same, but at least for me, this one is more intuitive to analyze. Let me know in the comments if you share my opinion or not. By definition, the DPO is a technical analysis tool used to identify the cyclical trends of an asset by removing long-term trends. Unlike other oscillators, the DPO focuses only on price movements over a specified period, helping traders spot short-term patterns and potential reversals. This tool is plotted on your chart as a line, the DPO, that oscillates around a zero level. When the line is above the zero level, it means the market is trading up, and when it is below the zero, it means the market is trading down. In addition, by using the Untrend Price DPO, you get these green and red bars that help you visualize the trend better. And it will be this one I will use. By default, it has a period of 21, but I prefer to increase it to 27. Although we can also use this indicator as a trigger to enter trades, its value is better when used as a filter. This means we will only enter a long position if the DPO tells us that we are in a bullish trend, and we will only enter a short position if the DPO indicates a bearish trend. You can apply this method to any strategy and I will prove it to you now. For this, I will choose a previously analyzed indicator from my ranking list, which you can also access by clicking on the link in the first comment. To make the DPO's work more challenging, I will choose an indicator that has performed badly. I will choose the QQE MT4, an indicator analyzed in this video, specifically the strategy on the 1 hour time frame. As you can see, this indicator had a win rate of 49% and a loss of 21%, making it one of the worst we have analyzed in our series so far. But let's see if this changes with the addition of the DPO. If you don't remember, this QQE MT4 strategy was quite simple. For long positions, the QQE had to give a long signal and the price had to be above the 200 EMA, and the opposite was true for short positions. But now, with the DPO, for a valid long signal, the DPO has to be above the zero level as well, and for a short signal, the DPO has to be below the zero level. Looking at some examples, we can see that in this way we can eliminate false entry signals. However, to really prove to you the efficiency of the DPO, I will repeat the backtest already done with the QQE MT4 on the same 10 assets, data sample and 1 hour time frame. To speed up the backtesting process, I will head back to the Indicators tab, search for ATP Premium Indicators Testing Bot and add it to my charts. If you are not familiar with this tool, it allows me to test endless combinations of strategies and indicators quickly, simply and efficiently. With a selection of almost 70 indicators and ongoing additions, including trigger, exit, volume, baseline and now also filter functions, it offers a flexible platform for traders. Joining me, over 100 traders currently use this tool with outstanding feedback. For more details, go to the ranking sheet and then click here. After selecting the QQE MT4 in the Trigger Indicators section, I can look down and find the C2 or Filter Indicator option. To use it, I just have to click on this box and then choose which indicator I want to use with this function. As you can see, there is a lot to choose from. In my case, I will select the DPO and then I can scroll down and define the settings to use, which will be a period of 27. Now just click on OK and the trading bot will apply the strategy automatically, displaying every valid trade on the charts. Then it also provides monthly results here and overall statistics for each asset I want to backtest in the Strategy Tester tab. With my premium TradingView plan, I can download all the trades the bot performs, which I will use to create a new trading journal with all the results. I will accelerate the backtesting process, but feel free to adjust the playback speed in the YouTube settings if you prefer a slower pace. I'll see you in a minute. While you watch the backtest, let me introduce you to TraderEdge. If Excel backtesting feels tedious and difficult, TraderEdge is your ideal solution. Simple, fast and efficient, it automatically analyzes your strategy results in both backtest and forward test modes. For a limited time, they are offering over $1,400 worth of free courses and trading strategies upon sign-up. Includes a beginner-friendly course, 4 unique strategies with indicators, rules and results, and a comprehensive backtesting guide. With a 5-day free trial and a 30-day money-back guarantee, it's a risk-free opportunity. Click on the link in the description below and try TraderEdge today. After inserting all the trades into my trading journal, I got an analysis of about 2,200 trades in the 1-hour time frame, and you can easily see that the results are much better. For comparison purposes, here I have the results without the DPO, and we can see that the win rate rose from 49 to 50.57%, and the strategy had almost an 80% increase in its returns, becoming profitable. The equity chart is also superior. But although the results with this addition have already improved a lot, there is one more very simple thing we can do, which is to use a moving take profit instead of a fixed one, as I showed in my series How to Start Trading as a Beginner, namely in episode 2. The idea is to use a trailing stop loss on 50% of the position to scale our profits instead of closing everything at a fixed level. With the indicators testing bot, this is something you can also apply. You just have to go down to the TP options and select the option that says 2 TPs. And now the trading bot closes half of the position at the first level and then applies a trailing stop loss. The 2 levels of these 2 variables can be defined in the risk management section. And after quickly applying the strategy again to the 10 assets, here I have the results. The DPO was used as a filter again, but the difference is only in the take profit. Analyzing the same 2,288 trades, we can see that with this simple change, the net profit went from 57% to more than 200%, therefore almost 4 times higher. Here you can analyze other metrics, the results of each asset, and underneath you have the equity curve, which is now significantly more profitable. Therefore, based on this comprehensive analysis, we can confirm that the DPO is an indicator that can increase the win rate and profitability of almost every strategy. Of course, keep in mind that these results are based on the specific conditions and settings I used for this test. If you change the conditions, settings or even the assets, your results may change. So, always test your strategies before putting them into practice. If you'd like to analyze these results more carefully, I will leave this trading journal in the free materials channel of my Discord. The community is free and you can use the link in the description to open it. Also, if you enjoyed seeing my working methods and would like to work one-on-one with me to enhance your trading skills and become a better trader, you can see all my available services on my website, algotradepro.org. For trading and investments, I use XTB, which is not only the safest broker I know, but also offers me the most advantages, such as 0 commissions up to 100,000 euros of monthly volumes. All links with more information are in the description. And that's it. Be well, thank you, and I see you in the next episode.